Hey class, it's me again, and I'm here to do an explainer video now about another mandatory critical data assignment, creating a backup plan. What's a backup plan and why do you need to create one, you might be asking? Well, let me explain to you. So your mandatory critical data assignment orientation backup plan is basically where you create a backup plan where you explain to me what you will do, what's your backup plan in case you have computer, internet, or other technical difficulties happen when assignments are due. It's important that you have a backup plan that you refer to whenever you have any kind of situation happen with your computer, your internet, or even Canvas. Since this is a fully online course, you need to be prepared, and it's your responsibility to get your work in on or before the posted due dates. So in order to help keep you accountable for that and to give you something that you can refer back to when you're having an emergency or a crisis, you can always refer to your backup plan. So this assignment is easy. You're just going to type in essay format in a Word document your backup plan. There's some questions that you need to turn into paragraphs and answer for this assignment. So it says, please answer the following questions in proper APA format. That means double space, paragraphs and sentences, no numbers, no bullet points, and you're going to answer these questions. It says here, make a new paragraph for each question and answer it in full and complete sentences, no numbers, no bullet points. Type on a Word document in essay format, double space, no bullet points, no numbers. Where will you go for internet or Wi-Fi? If your internet or Wi-Fi goes out at home, you have to give specific details. How will you store or backup information? Give me some details. Don't just say, I use Google Docs and that's my backup. Well, what if your computer fails? Where else are you going to back that information up? If you can't get into your Google Docs for whatever reason, you forget your password or something, where else are you going to back up your work? What is a specific alternate computer or device that you have access to? Think about the library here. We have all those computers that are free for use that you can use whenever the campus is open. And what is the tech support email and phone numbers? What's the tech support contact info? You need to know that, and you should know when should you reach out to them. At the last minute before the assignments are due, when is the best time do you think you should reach out to them when you're experiencing technical difficulties? Finally, you're going to write a closing statement that demonstrates all these points. Now, how are you going to submit this assignment? You're going to save your Word doc as a doc file, and you're going to upload it to this assignment space on or before the mandatory due date. And again, the final thing it tells you about how you're going to get credit for that. That you get credit by following all the instructions, and if you're unsure about what those are, scroll down to the rubric, and each criteria for this assignment is listed there. And that's what you're going to be getting graded on. So thank you very much for listening to this video about having a very important backup plan that's going to help you throughout the semester in case you run into any computer or technical difficulties. Hope this was helpful. See you in class. Bye-bye.